So just a quick look at XRP then, still chopping sideways on our hourly time frame, as you can see in this range area at support. We've been here for some time now, but Bitcoin looking like it's finally starting to bounce up off of the lows of its range and continue to the upside. I think it's at around 67k today, which is obviously the previous all-time high from the previous bull market. Right now looking like it might just head straight back up to the top of its particular range, back to around 73, 74k. Obviously, if that's the case, we'll see some relief for altcoins, and I do think XRP will probably come back up towards that 61 cent level if that's the case. I think Bitcoin this week, it's a big pivotal decision making. Are we going to continue going sideways, or are we going to start running up towards the all-time high again? If we start going back up towards the all-time high, all of our altcoins are going to see some relief, but if we do start trickling sideways or heading down again, we're going to see maximum pain probably for a lot of altcoins, including XRP, probably come down back down towards this 47, 48 cent area down here. Overall, I think XRP will do fine in the long run, but right now we are just chopping sideways and waiting for Bitcoin.